Jai Gurudev students. Students, this is the exercise of lesson number 9, Rajneesh diary. In part 2, I have given you the question answer and other exercise of this lesson, and this is also the exercise of the same lesson. See this exercise. Read the following information about the Braille script and then answer the questions that follow. This is the about Braille script. So I am reading it, listen it. Braille is a script of printing used for blind people to read and write. Braille एक प्रकार का प्रिंटिंग स्क्रिप्ट होता है प्रिंटिंग फॉर्म में, जो कि ब्लाइंड पीपल के लिए लिखने और पढ़ने के यूज में आता है. इट वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय लुइस ब्रेल इन 1829. ये लुइस ब्रेल द्वारा 1829 में फ्रांस में इसका इन्वेंशन हुआ था, उसने किया था लुइस ब्रेल ने. ब्रेल इज बेस्ड ऑन 6 डॉट. हियर यू सी स्टूडेंट्स 1 2 3 4 5 6. दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन द 6 डॉट्स. ईच सेट ऑफ 6 dots is called a Braille cell. This is called one cell. Braille cell. One cell. Every cell comprises of one Braille character or letter of the alphabet. ये जो सेल होती है, एक ये डॉट 6 डॉट का एक सेट जो होता है, वो एक करेक्टर या तो अल्फाबेट, करेक्टर माना अल्फाबेट को बताता है. To write Braille, visually challenged people use a stylus and a Braille slate. अब Braille को विजुअली चैलेंज, जो देख नहीं सकते हैं, वो एक स्टाइलस एक प्रकार का पेन होता है और ब्रेल स्लेट यूज करते हैं लिखने के लिए. विजुअली चैलेंज्ड पर्सन्स रीड दीज रेस्ड माना इम्बोस्ड डॉट्स बाय फीलिंग देम विद देयर फिंगरप्रिंट्स. अब विजुअली चैलेंज जो ब्लाइंड पीपल होते हैं, वो पर्सन होते हैं, व्यक्ति होते हैं, वो रेस्ड उभरा हुआ, यानी उभरा हुआ ये सेल उभरा हुआ रहता है. इसको अपने फिंगर टिप्स से टच करके फील करके इसको पढ़ते हैं, समझते हैं, रीडिंग करते हैं. जैसे ये एक कैरेक्टर है, 6 डॉट का एक कैरेक्टर ए है. ए में ये पहला जो डॉट है, फर्स्ट डॉट है, ये उभरा हुआ रहेगा. इसको टच करके फिंगर से टच करके ये सिंगल डॉट ये सिखाया जाता है. ये जो ए बताता है ये. एंड दिस इज फॉर बी. 2 डॉट्स आर रेस्ड. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन आंसर. इन दिस वे यू सी A to Z all characters alphabets are given in the Braille script. Now see the question answer of this lesson. This paragraph you see, number 1 is what is Braille used for? So answer is Braille is used for blind people to read and write. Number 2 is who invented Braille and where? You can write here when, also when. Louis Braille invented Braille in 1829 in France. What is Braille cell? Braille is based on 6 dots. Each set of 6 dots is called a Braille cell. Number 4 is how do visually challenged people read and write Braille? Visually challenged people read these raised dots by feeling them with their fingertips. This is not print, tips and use stylus and Braille slate to write. Stylus is a type of pen to write on the slate. Now here in this box, question number 5, write your name in Braille. So students, see from here how to write in the Braille script and write your name. What is the alphabets are given, how to write it. Now the next exercise here, when we cannot physically interact with someone, It refers the name of a quality, action or state. This is called an abstract noun. This is one kind of noun, that is abstract noun, which we cannot see and touch, but we can feel and like, that is like quality, action and state. महसूस कर सकते हैं, देख नहीं सकते, छू नहीं सकते, इसे abstract noun कहते हैं, भाववाचक संज्ञा. Now read the sentence given below and underline the abstract nouns. Number 1 is given, Arun got a star for cleanliness. Cleanliness you can understand but cannot touch and see it. Touch it. Physically you cannot touch it. Number 2, Birbal was famous for his wisdom. Wisdom, buddhimani. This you can feel, understand but cannot touch the wisdom. Honesty trumps in the long run. ईमानदारी को आप छू नहीं सकते, देख नहीं सकते या समझ सकते हैं. नंबर 4, वी शुड ईट प्रॉपरली टू कीप आवर स्ट्रेंथ. स्ट्रेंथ मीन्स ताकत, पावर. नंबर 5, ही थैंक्ड रिया फॉर हर काइंडनेस. द लाफ्टर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन वॉज हर्ड इवन इन द प्रिंसिपल्स रूम. लाफ्टर यू कैनॉट टच बट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. नेक्स्ट इज, you see, number 7, Gauri's innocence is admired the most. Innocence is the abstract noun. My childhood was the best phase of my life. Childhood is the abstract noun. The judgment of the court was accepted by all. Judgment is the abstract noun. 10th, iron is known for its hardness. Hardness is the abstract noun. The next exercise, many a time we speak about person or things as one whole, or when a number of persons or things are taken together. Each group of similar things has a particular name for it. This is called a collective noun. Collective noun, students, is a collection of the things or group of a person. So now the exercise is given here. You have to find out the collective noun in the sentence. The exercise. Now read the sentence given below and underline the collective nouns. 1 is given, she gave her mother a bouquet of flowers. Bouquet, when the single flower, it is called a flower. When it is group, मतलब more than one flowers, then it is called bouquet of flowers. Bouquet, then it is called bouquet. A fleet of ships was seen near the shore. Fleet, ships. Now, ships which moves on the sea. Fleet. There is a heap of stones near the bridge. Heap is the collective noun. Heap means ढेर. A pride of lions is rarely seen. Pride means a group of lions is called pride. Pride is a collective noun. Pack of wolves. Wolves के group को pack कहते हैं. Pack is a collective noun. Was roaming near the valley. Number 6, a crew of soldiers was seen wearing black dresses. Soldiers के group को crew कहते हैं. A shoal of fish is in the pond. Shoal, group of fish को हम कहेंगे shoal of fish. Number 8, there is a clump of trees on the other side of the road. Clump means जहाँ पेड़ों का समूह होता है उसे clump कहते हैं collective noun trees के लिए. The army reached the battlefield in no time. Army, group of soldiers. A committee was appointed to decide the matter. Committee, number of pupils who are made in the committee, members of the particular sector. Now here you see the exercise is given. This is the this is the riddle, and you have to find out these sets are given here, so you can understand it clearly. But riddle is given here. I have beard and 3 eyes. मेरी दाढ़ी है और 3 आँखें हैं. हार्ड फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, बाहर से बहुत ठोस हूँ. बट हैव ए वाटर इनसाइड, और लेकिन अंदर पानी भरा हुआ है. हु एम आई, मैं कौन हूँ. तो आप जानते हैं कि कोकोनट होता है जो कि बियर्ड होते हैं, उसके रेशे निकले होते हैं. 3 आइस, ऊपर 3 वो बना होता है और आइस की तरह, और अंदर से वाटर होता है. सो दिस इज फॉर सी and this is for O. This dot is for C. Again, you can understand and write the name. Here you have to write it yourself, and here you have to make more riders whatever you know. Okay, thank you, Jagrudev. This exercise is completed.